How to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. Hello everyone, wherever you are in this video, we'll talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Here you have to open the apps option as you see here. Where is apps option? Here, and then here you have to search for Snapchat. Now open Snapchat like this and scroll down and click on storage. Here go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do next, you have to go to this option here, permission. You go to files and media, and you have to allow access to media only, and that's it. Your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.